10 useful English phrases for shopping. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you 10 useful English phrases for shopping. These phrases are very simple but also very practical. You can use them when you go shopping in an English-speaking country or even when you shop online. Let's get started. Phrase number 1. How much is this? That means asking for a price of an item. For example, excuse me, how much is this t-shirt? This is the most basic and useful question when you are shopping. Always point at the item and say, how much is this? Phrase number 2. Do you have this in a different size? That means asking if they have the product in a small, medium, or large. For example, do you have this in a larger size? You can change the word size to color. For example, do you have this in a different color? Phrase number 3. I'm just looking, thank you. That means polite way to say you don't need help right now. For example, can I help you? I'm just looking, thank you. This is a polite way to say no, thank you when you don't want assistance. Phrase number 4. Can I try this on? That means asking if you can try clothes in the fitting room. For example, can I try this jacket on? Native speakers always say try on for clothes. You don't say try. You say try on. Phrase number 5. Do you have a fitting room? That means asking if the store has a place to try clothes. For example, excuse me, do you have a fitting room? Sometimes they say changing room instead of fitting room. Both are correct. Phrase number 6. I'll take it. That means saying you want to buy the item. For example, this dress is perfect. I'll take it. This is a very natural way to say you want to buy something. Don't just say yes. Say I'll take it. Phrase number 7. Can I pay by card? That means asking if you can use a debit or credit card. For example, can I pay by card or only cash? You can also say, can I pay with my credit card? Phrase number 8. Do you have any discount? That means asking if there is a special price or sale. For example, do you have any discount on this phone? You can also hear, is there a sale? Or do you have any promotions? Phrase number 9. Can I get a receipt, please? That means asking for the paper that shows what you bought. For example, can I get a receipt, please? This is useful if you need to return something later. Phrase number 10. Can I return this? That means asking if you can bring the item back to the store. For example, can I return this shirt if it doesn't fit? You can also say what is your return policy. That's it for today, and 10 useful English phrases for shopping. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.